What if your canvas could smile back at you? Could colors alone make you feel happier? This painting is a burst of pure joy, a warm yellow base with bright puddles of red, pink, green, and silver. Watch as the air dryer pushes them into motion, creating vibrant waves and natural lacing. No cell activator needed. Which colors draw your eye first? Is it the sunny yellow or those bold splashes of red and pink? Look closely as the colors bloom across the canvas. Soft blends, sharp contrast, and playful movement. You'll almost feel the warmth radiating off the painting. Lacing is the delicate web-like pattern that forms when colors overlap and stretch, creating intricate details across the painting. Look closely. Do you see those fine net-like patterns? That's called lacing, and it adds such an elegant touch to this piece. Stay to the end for the full reveal. It's guaranteed to lift your mood, and if your mood was lifted, please like, subscribe, and share this content. And remember, stay creative and keep painting.